How to delete Google account permanently from Android. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Google account permanently. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture. If you have multiple Google accounts, they will show up here. Select the one you would like to delete. Now tap on Google account. Wait a few seconds for the next page to load. Tap on data and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option delete your Google account. Tap on this option. There will be some important messages about deleting the Google account. Please read them before moving forward. Now scroll down, tap on this box to check mark. Then tap on delete account. Remember, this is the final step to delete your Google account. Wait a few seconds. Here it is, your Google account is deleted. If you want to recover it, you have very short time. To do that, tap on recover your account. Input your Google account ID and password. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.